Today we'll be speaking on a very interesting topic, the purpose of the Vedas. If you look around in this world, in your room, everything has a purpose. So how can the Vedas be purposeless? Vedas definitely have a purpose. All instruction manuals explain the specific purpose of the machine. Likewise, the Vedas explain that the one pointed purpose of this universe is to help us revive our dormant love for God and achieve unlimited happiness. Everyone in this world is looking for happiness through success, wealth, goals, car, big houses, name, fame, prestige. But the final goal is happiness, and that is the goal of the Vedas. All knowledge in the Vedas is divided into three categories to achieve that purpose. Number one, Sambandha or relationship between the Supreme Lord, material universe and the living beings. Second is the Abhidheya or the process to revive our loving relationship with the God. And third is Prayojana or goal, the goal of achieving pure love for God and permanent happiness in the spiritual world. Of the 4,520 titles compiled by Vyasadeva, many texts have been lost, stolen or destroyed. According to the tattva sandarbha of the 16th century scholar Jiva Goswami, only 6% of the original Vedas are remaining. Therefore, the essence of the Vedas, the Srimad Bhagavatam and the Bhagavat Gita are the best books to achieve the purpose of the Vedas in this day and age. Vedic literature is divided into three parts to satisfy the needs of the people. First, Karmakand. This section deals with sacrifices meant to maximize material happiness within the world. This covers about 96% of the Vedas, comprising part of the four Vedas, the Puranas and the Mahabharata. Second, Jnanakand. It deals with the knowledge of renunciation from the material world and achieving peace, covering about 3% of the Vedas, including the Upanishads and the Vedanta. This section explains the futility of the material enjoyment that would end at the time of death. Third is the Upasana Kand or the Bhakti Kanda section. The 1% contains primarily the Bhagavad Gita and the Srimad Bhagavatam, besides some other bhakti literature. These deal with transcendental loving service to the Supreme Lord. This is the most confidential part of the Vedas and is meant for those who aspire to return to the spiritual world and reunite with God in pure love. Modern scholars believe Vedas to be 3,500 years old, based on the Aryan invasion theory, which is absolutely false. So in the next series, we'll be seeing on the factual evidence of that. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel right now and download the free app from the Google Play Store. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna